This is a new one. I don't like it. I miss my baby that broke. Good morning. I've made my coffee. That new Cuisianrt convection oven, I don't like it. Anytime I make bacon, it smokes bad. And this sucker, it cooks so much faster than the other one. Oh yeah, you will burn stuff in a hurry. So I'm having to adjust to it. I don't like it. I miss my Oster. And of course, the warranty I paid for went out right before it broke. But that's okay. I think I'm just going to buy a new one and just gift that. Because, yeah, I don't like it.